Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me. I put a slightly thicker oil in my BMW a couple of weeks ago, and since then I noticed that it takes between 3 and 4 seconds for the oil pressure light to turn off. And while it is on the tappets, also sound and ask, should I change the oil now and put the one recommended by BMW, or can I wait for the next change in 9,000 kilometers? Let's see. My advice is that you change the oil now that you put the recommended one. What is happening is, because the oil pump of your BMW is designed to work with a certain density in the oil, by putting a more oil denser needs more time to lubricate the engine, to send that oil to the different parts of the engine, including the hydraulic tappets. That's why the tappets are sounding, because while that oil pressure doesn't reach them, they don't adjust well to the cam, and so that's why they sound. When the oil reaches them, then they adjust and stop making noises. But of course, we are talking about excessive wear in those 3-4 seconds, both on the cams, on the camshaft cams, as well as in the tappets themselves, in addition to the rest of the engine's friction parts. And it has not specified whether the vehicle also has a turbo, but this would also affect the turbo. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.